All right, and welcome back to another session of Pellet Tech 101. I'm here with the Harman Accentra freestanding stove, and I'm going to go through replacement of the circuit board fuse. So, on a Harman Accentra freestanding, and a lot of other Harman models are similar to this, this control board is going to kind of swing open like so. And as we need to access the actual circuitry of that circuit board inside there, we have number two Phillips screws that we're going to remove. Again, anytime we're working with anything electrical in the unit, make sure this is unplugged from the wall. So, we just have two Phillips. Take both of those out. And then what you're going to see is you're going to see the board kind of split open here like this. Now we have a small bus fuse that's located right here. And because it's in such a tight area, I recommend a needle nose pliers. Again, we don't necessarily want to grip it too tight right up on the glass. I want to try to kind of grab it more on the metal part of that fuse, so I'm not going to shatter that fuse glass right there. And sometimes they can be in there kind of tight. There we go. Just pull right out. So again, we just have a small bus fuse right here. I could use a multimeter to double check this, being that I can't physically see the strand inside the glass, as this one is covered right here. And again, it just really depends on the Harman model and the year of manufacture as far as what amperage bus fuse that we need to replace this. We do offer the fuses. You can get them just about anywhere. There's nothing too special about these particular fuses if it blows. But when we're ready to put the fuse back in, I kind of do it the same way. I'm going to use needle nose pliers, not gripping it too hard. Slide that right in there like that. I use my thumb and make sure that it's in proper position or proper place right there. Other than that, we'll go ahead and we fold this back on here like so. Line up our two holes. And as you can see, this actually came loose from that plate. So we have two little ears right here that go in. So now it's attached. There we go. I'm just going to hold that with one hand. We're going to thread those screws back in there. Just like that. And just like that. So again, there's lots of differences depending on the Harman model, whether it's a freestanding or an insert or a furnace or a boiler. But generally speaking, there's going to be a cover plate that we're going to remove that's going to expose the area on the control board where our fuse is mounted, should we need to check that and or replace it. From there, the control board will close. Should close just like that. I want to make sure everything is right. Just like that. Thanks again for joining us for another session of Pellet Tech 101, and we will see you soon for the next video. Thanks.